All right, what is up, everybody? So we're gonna be watching US30, NAS100. Happy Friday. It is the day after Christmas. How was your mini vacation? I'm still on vacation. I bring my laptop with me when I travel. Yeah, I'm still on vacation, dude. So I travel and I bring my laptop everywhere I go. So I just do everything from my laptop and my external monitor. So I actually got two monitors. So US30, NAS100. You know, we were watching both these for a sell-off the other day, but US30 took off running, NAS100 took off running. So we are heading into the weekend. So we are actually going to watch these from a sell-off standpoint now. So basically do have these highs here, and then this body candle right here. So we have basically been descending all the way down. So we're gonna be watching US30 here, and then NAS100 as well. How's everyone's Christmas? I don't know if people even celebrate Christmas. Some people maybe do, some people don't. I think US30 is gonna be my main watch today. This one looks more solid. NAS100 kind of looks a little squeezed up, pushed down hard, but US30 is gonna look to be more solid here. I feel like I think that's gonna be my main watch today. $5 minute. Yeah, US30 is looking like it's gonna be my main breadwinner. Although it is already starting to dip down here, I don't really I don't want to see it. I kind of want to see it kind of like hold up near this area right here. Don't really want to see it start selling off though. Really don't want to see any of these start selling off yet. As always, make sure you guys like this. Gold went crazy overnight. Yeah, at 44.85 to 40. Yeah, well, holy shit. It actually did go crazy. Huh. Damn. That is kind of crazy, actually. Yeah, it's this play right here. It opened. Huh. That's a big spike in a matter of like 3 minutes. And like I said, some people crush with gold. I used to crush with gold, not so much anymore. Gold's very hard to trade. I said I don't expect the market to be crazy today. Dude, it's the day after Christmas. A lot of people are gonna be fucking sleeping. A lot of people are either sleeping, just hungover, doing things with family today. A lot of people like the market isn't on their mind today, you know. So like I said, a lot of people are not gonna be trading today. So another reason I'm looking for a sell-off. You know, market's gonna be not many people are gonna be coming in and buying the market. Forex factory, not much news either today. Yeah, I mean it's a bank holiday, you know, for all day. So not much with news. Although we did, I think so. Last 15 hours ago, Trump, U.S. strikes ISIS in Nigeria after Trump warned of attacks of Christians. So there was U.S. launches strikes against Islamic State group in Nigeria. So there is that news. So again, yesterday's news, U.S. strikes. So that's one thing to take in consideration. So U.S. launches strikes against Islamic State Nigeria. So Trump says U.S. military struck. So that's one thing to take in consideration. And then obviously, oh yeah, Forex factory. So today is the 25th. And bank holiday all day, German bank holiday, Italian bank holiday, GBP bank holiday, CAD bank holiday. And you know, while we're sitting here, we might as well look at the news for Monday and whatnot. So Monday, really no news next Monday. Tuesday, we have FOMC meeting at 1 p.m. But that's really it. Wednesday, unemployment claims at 7:30 a.m. And then Thursday, Friday. So next week is actually really, really light with news. So don't really expect next week to be crazy either. We kind of know that already. But I mean, everything's just gonna be dead and quiet, you know. But US30 kind of pushing back up here. It's kind of nice, kind of what we want to see. Alright, US30 pushing back up. We kind of wanted to see this before we get this big sell-off here. Looking for a big sell-off here, US30. I want to see US30 sell-off here. It's basically the same with NAS100. Looking for NAS100 to basically sell off as well. It's been running a little too much here, so we got 34 people here, so hopefully we can get 34 likes. We have about 20 minutes till the bell rings. Oh, actually, less than that. What's everyone got planned this weekend? What are you guys doing? Just chilling here on the beach. There you go. I'll give you guys 100. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 100. Hit that like, hit that like, hit that like, hit the like. US30 pop a little bit more here. NAS100s pop a little bit more here. That's what we want to see. Beach life is the good life, yo. So, US30 pop a little bit. NAS100, that's fine. I want to see it. Kind of want to see the pop a little bit before we have a looking for, like I said, looking for everything to sell off today. "15 minutes till the bell rings, yo." While you chill on a beach, I'll be clearing snow. Oh my god, I can't think of snow. Yuck. I hate snow. Literally hate it. You know, I feel like the snow ruins like your car and everything. Like the snow, the salt. I feel like it destroys your vehicles. I guess if you live somewhere where there's snow, you gotta have a snowblower. How much does a snowblower cost? I feel like it's one of those things where it's like you buy it and you don't use it that often, or like you don't have. It's like one of those things where it's like if you don't have it, you get snow all the time. And then once you buy one, you never get snow. I think they're a couple $100 a snowblower. It's a lot of fucking money, but I guess it beats like shoveling. Man, I wonder if there's like a way to set up where like you have like a heated driveway. I guess that'd be kind of cool, but that'd probably cost thousands of dollars. US30 pop a little bit up here. NAS100 basically doing the same. We're not in these yet, nor have we sent the signals, so I'm gonna give it some time here. Heated driveway is like 20 bands. That's a lot of fucking money, dude. But I guess that's like a twofold with like the salt ruining your vehicle, because that's the same with the salt water. Like when I put my wave runner in the water, if I don't rinse the trailer afterwards, like the salt from the ocean, like literally destroys like my fucking wave runner, the trailer, everything. Like it gets like pitted. I'm like, what the fuck is this? And they're like, yeah, you gotta rinse it every time. I'm like, what? Rinse it every time? They're like, yeah. I'm like, that sucks. Even that trailer, like the trailer was brand new, and like after having the water, like after like putting in the water like 3 times, she's got back the trailer in the water, halfway in the water. Well, almost halfway in the water. To get the wave runner off. The wave runners. Well, I had the one, now I got the two. Actually, now I got three. I gotta pick up the other one still. But you have to, yeah, when you put in the salt water, in the ocean, it's like pitting, like the frame, and like the fucking wheels, and like the lug nuts. I'm like, geez Louise. So you have to like rinse it, and a lot of times I'm not like, there's areas I miss, and you can see it's like pitting, it's like destroying. I'm like, that's crazy. Same thing with the wave runner. Like the salt water, man. It's just, it gets everywhere, dude. It's just, I have like this lubricant spray. I got to spray over the jet ski. Man, some people call it jet skis. Some people call it wave runners. I don't know the proper term for it. Because I was telling somebody, I was talking to a guy that, on the plane. I was like, yeah, dude. I was like, my wave runner does like almost 100 miles an hour. He's like, wave runner? He's like, what is that? It's like, a wave runner? You never heard of a wave runner? He's like, no. It's like, you ride in the water. It's like a 2-seater, 3-seater. You sit down, you ride it. It's like a mini boat. He's like, I had to show him pictures. He's like, oh, that's a jet ski. I was like, I guess. It's just like snowmobiles. Some people call them some people call them snowmobiles, and some people call them snow machines. So I guess it's just, I don't know, I guess it's whatever you want to fucking call it. So all right. So all right, let's get ready here to rumble. As always, feel free to ask questions. I will answer you guys' question the best of my ability. US30. That was kind of stupid of me. I know I just didn't fucking do that the whole time. All right, let's see here. US30 is pulling back kind of nice here already. A little too much more than what we wanted to do. But we know we're selling, so. $48,665 is one area of TP. Like I said, hopefully we get a nice little sell-off flush here when the market opens. That's ideally what you know, we're aiming for. NAS100, want to see this one sell off as well. NAS100, hopefully, like I said, hopefully we get a nice little clean sell off on both of these. So and as always, we're gonna take what the market gives us. We're not gonna be greedy. You know, we're not gonna overtrade. So take what the market gives us. Basically, kind of like basically a nail bail kind of day is what we really want. So got 6 minutes. The market opens here. Christmas lunch with family. Later, Gene. Jet ski is the term most people use. Yeah, it's probably the term I should probably start using. Six minutes. Make sure you guys hit the like button. We got 57 viewers. Hell yeah. Appreciate the views. Appreciate the likes. Make sure you guys hit that like. Boom, 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 boom. Hit the like. Come on, we're almost at 30. Good morning. Bot's working out good. We have our trading bot. A little more tweaking to do, by the way. She's running for Forex pairs. Hit the like. US30 pulling back here. NAS100 doing the same. NAS100, let's see if it hits our alert. Good morning, Bam. What's up? Patrick, Alan, Max. How's everyone's Christmas? Hopefully you guys had a good Christmas. Dude, man, on the beach here yesterday, dude, there's some people swimming in the water, and literally there's like a shark swimming like 10 feet away from them. I was like, yo, you guys need to get the fuck out of that water. They're like, no, it's fine. I was like, no, it's not fucking fine. It's going to attack you. I seriously cannot understand people. They're like, oh, it's a nurse. They're like, it's a nurse shark. I was like, no, it's definitely fucking not. It's like that is 100% a black tip shark. Cause he's like, you see the little black fin? I was like, that motherfucker is going to bite you. You're stupid as hell, bro. NAS100. NAS100 pulling back here already. Sharks in the water don't bother me. Like, I'm not gonna go in there fucking swimming them with. I'm not gonna. Oh man, yeah, NAS100 is pulling nice, already pulling nice. I'm not gonna go in there swimming with them. You know, I respect the shit out of them. It's the alligators. I will not fuck with the alligators, dude. I'm not scared of sharks, not at all. But it's the alligators that scare the shit out of me, because those motherfuckers, dude, Like, especially, dude, I'll be driving here, you know, in Florida. In Florida, they're everywhere. They're everywhere. And people don't like they'll walk next to a pond and they're like, oh, you know, we don't see any alligators. It's like just because you don't see them doesn't mean they don't see you. Like I tell people all the time, like I've had to pull over and be like, get the fuck out of there. What are you doing? It's like you're gonna turn into alligator shit. Ooh, US30 kind of pulling back here, kind of nice. US30, come on. Let's get this US30 drop here. We like to see US30 have a nice little flush sell off here. Let's see US30 keep selling off here. We have exactly 30 seconds until the bell rings. US30 volume kind of coming in here a little bit. Here we go. US30. Come on. NAS100 is kind of acting kind of goofy. We want to see US30 have a nice little sell off here. As always, make sure you guys like the stream. 30 likes. That's almost at 50. I like to aim for 50 every time. US30 market open. Come on, baby. Ugh. NAS100 dropped hard. NAS100 basically hit my take profit 1, but US30 is my main one I'm watching here. NAS100 is kind of looking more clean, but again, it's the day after Christmas. We really shouldn't, the market really shouldn't be running here. NAS100 at take profit 1. And some people are taking NAS100, some people don't like taking US30, which is fine because, like I said, you know, NAS100 take profit 1 hit. NAS100's clean, super clean with NAS100. Clean NAS100. US30 is finally pulling back here. US30 basically stuffed everybody out here. NAS100 is almost ready to take profit 2. Yeah, NAS100 super fucking clean. NAS100 is at our take profit 2. So NAS100 is at take profit 2. NAS100 is still bleeding out here. US30 struggling here, but eventually, like I say, we like to see it. NAS100 almost at take profit 3. US30 is finally pulling back here. Let's see if we can finally get this sell-off fade here with US30. So let's see a US30 kind of sell off here finally. NAS100 basically retracing back up. Oh, it's a fucking choppy day, man. Choppy day. US30 struggling here. Super struggling. Wow. Forming a fucking doji candle is what it's doing right now. Trying to get US30 drop here. Once US30 drop below this area 48,665, like this is obviously a target area here. NAS100 basically pushing back up. NAS100 hit take profit 2, but didn't hit our take profit 3. US30 still kind of lingering here. NAS100 coming back down. Let's see if the US30 can finally sell off fade here. I'm switching to the 1 minute chart on the US30. crazy wicks. Switch to the 1 minute chart here on NAS100. Crazy wicks on US30. Again, this is this area we need to basically crack here. This 48,665 level. 48, basically 4860. 48,680 is like clearly working as a target area. NAS100 basically trying to come back down. US30. Again, we want to see US30 just get a nice flush here is what we want to see. NAS100 working our way back down. US30. Come on. US30, come on. We want to keep selling off. We have a nice little just clean sell off. Clean sell off. NAS100 is pushing back up. With NAS100 pushing back up here, hopefully we can get this US30 to sell off here. $64 people. Hell yeah, dude. It's a pretty good amount of people. 64. Let's see if we can get this crack here on US30. Keep selling off here with NAS100 basically pushing back up. NAS100 is basically pushing back up. I'll push back up above our original entry while US30 is still struggling here. US30 has yet to hit our take profit 1 of 48,665. Let's see again if she can get this flush here. It is a choppy fucking day for sure. NAS100. Again, it's the day after Christmas. Shouldn't be much volume. Shouldn't see much momentum. We should just have a clean, strong sell-off flush. Going to the weekend, it's Friday, Saturday, Sunday. People are going to look to hold. People are going to just close out. Here we go. Here we go. US30, we're at take profit 1. Again, still being weird here with US30. I'm gonna take partial. I'm gonna set the rest to break even. Oh my god, dude. What a fucking dude, I'm only up 385 bucks on the day. That's garbage. Wow. NAS100 pushing back up. US30, might look to jump back in US30 here. I'll look to jump back in US30. At one point I was up 4 grand. I was up 4 grand with fucking I was up 4 grand with US30. I didn't take it. I should close out partial, set the rest to break even. Gonna like to jump back in US30 here. She could basically come back down here. NAS100. Again, it should just be cleaner, just much cleaner flow. NAS100. Let's see what NAS100 is doing. Nothing with NAS100. She's still trying to push towards the high of day. US30 on the 15 minute. US30 is really forming like a crazy wick here. Look at the wick. NAS100 trying to push back up. Right now, US30 is my main one. Although if NAS100 starts to drop here, I'll look to sell this one. NAS100 is selling off more here. I might look to jump in NAS100 actually. NAS100 is looking pretty clean if this can keep selling off here. I think I'm gonna switch to NAS100. Yeah, I'm gonna watch NAS100 here. See if we can get this sell off here with NAS100. Seems to be a little bit more cleaner. US30 trying to push back up. These are crazy. These are actually crazy wicks. See if NAS100 could basically crack below this wick right here. See NAS100 basically come back down. US30 trying to push back up. So for my profit on the day is basically fucking like $385, which is enough to get a margarita. US30 is pushing back up. NAS100 should have a nice little clean sell-off here. One goes up, one comes down. Typically what we've been seeing every day in the market. Make sure you guys hit that like button as always. Come on, let's get to, we got 15 more likes to go. I think you guys could use your little booger picking finger and hit that like button. I don't know anybody that's fucking buy chasing US30 NAS100 right now. One McChicken, basically. US30 is really fucking running now. Thousand people. Damn. NAS100 just chilling. Damn, this one's just not dropping. Well, so again, we want to see this NAS100 basically sell off here. Pulling back a little bit. Again, let's see if NAS100 could actually like retrace back here. It's Friday, man. Yesterday, I mean, what, Wednesday the market took off running. Today, definitely want to see the market take off running. $58,000. US30 pulling back here. See if she can fake out here at this resistance area. Same with the US30. Let's see if she can basically cash out, come back down. Market's been really weird lately. Might have to switch to being a fucking buying everything market. Be safe on your trip. I am staying out of the water when there's sharks in there, like other people that like swimming with the sharks. Hey man, to each his own, I guess. I don't know what to tell him. But thanks, I appreciate it, Blade. Whichever bias you are, long or short, man, it's one of those things where it's like you just gotta take profit. It's like, it's truly, nobody goes broke taking profit, man. US30 coming back down, NAS100 coming back down, double top here. Let's see. Actually, we want to highlighters more cleaner. Double top right here. So like to see this one basically kind of come back down. Is the highlighter better or the pen better? I think it was the pen that was better. I don't know. It's one of those fuckers. US30 make a clean action to the downside. Still a fucking hard read. A lot of fake out. A lot of fake out. It's like the action's happening very, very fast at the market open, and then just within a minute, less than a minute, it just goes away. Bitcoin with massive sell-off. Yeah. Holy crap, Bitcoin's... Bitcoin is selling off. NAS100 is running back up, man. This one might be a bust. She's just been playing games with us all fucking morning. NAS100 basically, market open, dropped, hit our take profit 1, take profit 2, US30, hit our take profit 1, I got out for like 385 bucks, I was up like 4 grand with that one. It just happened so fast. US30's pushing back up. It's just not clean follow. I mean, if you look at the bigger picture on US30, man, this one, it spiked up, retraced, started selling off, then spiked up again, took everyone out. People looked to buy it again, sell all the way off. Now it's spiking back up again. So looking at this, people probably bought it here, got stuffed out, probably sold it, got stuffed out, bought it, got stuffed out, sold it, got stuffed out. Very, very hard read. Like, I don't give a shit what anybody says. It is like basically like a scalper's market. It is definitely a scalper's market. So if you're not scalping this stuff, you are blowing accounts left and right. Everyone trading with their Christmas money, probably. US30 pushing up. Let's see if we can get NAS100 to still sell off here. US30 is really running. Day after Christmas? Did not see that one. Did not see that one. Basically, it's over almost 100 points above. Yeah, did not see this one running at Christmas. But again, the market could switch and turn real fast. We've seen it before, where it's like it'll be strong one way and then just it flips and just turns into like a seller's market really, really fast. People try to sell it. Like, sometimes it's lately I've been seeing it's like better to wait until after the market opens before taking trades lately. It's been really, really hard to take it at the market. It's like one of those things where it's like it's getting to the point where it's like better just to wait. NAS100 coming back down here. Again, this 25,667 area was like a key target area. So if we can come down flush hard, we should get a clean sell off here and break around these lows. US30, man, forming some massive wicks. New low here on US30. New target would be this. Why is this not clicking for me? Right here, this area of 48,702. See if she can flush down hard here. Like I said, it is crazy, 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 crazy wicks. US30 coming back down here. That's a mass. Look at the wick on the 15. Look at that. Holy shit. That's a disgusting wick. They just stuffed everybody out. US30 coming down hard here. NAS100 coming down. Let's see if NAS100 keep coming down here. US30. NAS100. Let's see if she keep bleeding out here. This was their area. This 25,667 area. I wanted to see this crack and come. In a perfect world, man, we'd love to see NAS100 come all the way down towards these lows. Even break this wick area. She's bleeding now. Let's see if she keeps selling off here. NAS100. Oh my god. Look at NAS100 go. Boom. There we go. I did jump in this one, guys. I'm in NAS100 right now. Wanting this one to keep selling off here. US30 selling off hard too. US30s are our take profit. Yeah, US30s almost our take profit too. NAS100 still bleeding out here. Again, let's see if NAS100 could break these final lows here. I'm not gonna be greedy here. I am gonna take off. I'm gonna take off more profit here. I'm gonna take off more profit with NAS100. Set the rest to break even. I just don't like these fucking wicks. Set my rest to break even with NAS100. I did take off partial. I'm out. Dude, what the fuck? God damn it, motherfucker, dude. It's just these wicks are just... I might be done. How much am I up today? I'm up 1,600 bucks. I might be done. I think I might be done. Just because these wicks, dude, dude, look at this. They are shaking us. Dude, I think I might be done. I'm up 1,600 bucks. Took a total of 10 fucking lots between US30 and NAS100. I mean, what? NAS100, dude, I was up 11 fucking grand. I was up 11 grand with NAS100. And I closed out for basically 1,300 bucks. Because it wicked me out so fucking much. US30, same thing too. Look at this. On 15 minute, just look at the wicks, dude. NAS100 trying to sell back off here. If NAS100 is to sell off here, again, I'll take another stab at it, but it will be my last one. Because I actually got to jump on a fucking meeting here with this dude. NAS100, if we can start to have a sell off here, I'll jump back in NAS100. And then see if we can finally crack these goddamn fucking lows. Alright, NAS100 basically bleeding black, back out again. See if we can keep selling off here. See if we can finally break these lows. 25 is like 645 area. We want to see her keep bleeding out here. Basically gonna set my thing back to break even. Actually, break even, but I'm gonna take a partial. I'm gonna take off partial again. I'm gonna take off one lot. Jumped out one lot. Took partial. US30 is pushing back up, so again we should see this. We should see NAS sell off here. Look at US30. Look at the doji candle. Oh my god, dude, these wicks are insane. I closed out partial for NAS100. I'm in NAS100, but I took off partial already. Again, I want to see this one basically break these lows. We're almost there, dude. So far on the day, I'm up. My close positions, I'm up 2,600 profit on the day. I'm floating 5,600 right now. Floating 6,000. Floating 7,000. Because I'm still looking for, you know, NAS100 hit our take profit 3. Again, I'm watching NAS100 to basically US30's fucked me too many times right today. So NAS100 is my main watch. Floating 5 grand. If this one starts to push back up, I'll you know, like I said, my stop loss, I'll actually adjust this. I'm actually gonna adjust my stop loss to a little bit more profit. I'll adjust it to like basically 1,800 profit. Floating 9 grand. I am in NAS100 right now. I want to see this one keep dropping here. See if we can get this final flush down. US30 trying to come back down here. Again, let's see if NAS100 can get this final flush. Floating 11 grand. Floating 10 grand. NAS100. Let's see if we get this final flush. As always, make sure you guys like this video. Subscribe to the channel. Thumbs up, comment, all that fun stuff. Click the link somewhere below this video if you guys are interested in using the same broker as me. You get 100% deposit matching bonus. And pretty soon you'll start to be able to fund them with your credit card. NAS100. Come on, we want to break these lows. We already hit take profit 2 today. NAS100, come on, keep selling off here. Give us that money. Oh man, she's trying to really retrace here. Went from floating 11 grand to floating 5 grand. I might get stopped out here. If I get stopped out, I'll get stopped out for like 2 grand. US30, dude, it was a letdown for sure. NAS100 was clean at the market open. Fuck. I might have to cut it off here because I got a meeting here in like a minute. But he might have to wait. If this bitch starts to drop, we've been waiting for this move all morning. NAS100, red candle forming here. Red candle forming here. Let's see if we can get this final drop. She wants to go. NAS100, come on. You're almost there. Keep selling off. We need this to form a red candle here. Floating $8,000. Gonna reduce to 25,678. Gold just fucking went home. Where did gold go? Gold's been kind of interesting as well. NAS100. Almost there. Let's see if we can finally crack this low. Finally get this flushed down. Come on, baby. Come on. 25,622. 25,622 is my basically my take profit. 3. Hell yeah, come on, baby. Let's keep going. 25,622 is our take profit 3, guys. We're up 20 grand. Floating 20 grand. Come on, baby. Come on. Yeah. We're gonna take off half. Take off half. Oh yeah, she's dumping now. Gonna close out half. Actually, we'll close out. Yeah, we'll close out half. 2.5. Boom. And then we're gonna hit our stop loss, bring that stop loss all the way the fuck down. NAS100 still bleeding out here. So far we're locked in on the day. What are we locked in on? Just trying to refresh. Gotta alert the Telegram group that NAS100. Nope, you don't want that. NAS100, take profit 1, 2, and 3, so it's clean. Took a while to get there, but she's there. What's US30 doing? US30 just, US30 is coming back down, but NAS100 still our breadwinner. Now I'll show you guys the Telegram here. Because people say, there you go. So I'm floating half right now. I'm up basically. I closed out half, so right now I'm floating 11 grand. But hit our take profit 1, 2, 3. Adjust my stop loss. So I'm actually probably about to get stopped out here. Yep, stopped out. So I am stopped out. So Telegram stopped out. NAS100. Going to watch Forex pairs the rest of the day. Please post your profits in Discord if you got them. So I am posting my profits now in the Discord, so it's 9 o'clock. And I'll show you guys too, since people don't mean like bam bam bam. So I gotta delete this. Alright, boom, boom, save the photos, boom. Go to Discord, and then I'll post them in the profits room. So give me a second here. And boom. There you go. So I'll pull over the Discord now. If you guys, for those that are in the Discord. Yeah. 1 second here. And then, oops. This, and then that, and then go to the profits room. So here's the Discord, here's the profits room, boom. You guys can see there today total $23,870 fees, $112 in fees, NAS100. Yeah, transparent. So jumped in 6 lots. So I went a little bit balls heavy with NAS. Scaled out 1 lot, scaled 2.5 lots, scaled 2.5 lots, and then again I was in NAS100 again, 6 lots, scaled out 1.3 lots, stop loss hit, break even 60, and then US30. That US30 trade was up US30 was up like 5 grand. So yep. So that is a wrap for me, guys. So make sure you guys, do you look to the left for your take profits or just points? Yeah, I look to my left. I basically look at areas on the 15-minute chart. I look at key target areas that's hit and tested multiple times. So what's US30 doing? US30's been shanking us all morning. But so I recorded everything live. So make sure you guys hit that like. We're like 10 likes away from hitting 50 likes. So next week will be magical, hopefully. So definitely, like I said, I definitely went harder today with size than I normally like to do. US30, what is this one doing? It's choppy. NAS100. NAS100 was where the money was at. I wish I captured NAS100 right when the market opened, only if I got take profit 1 and 2. So, but that's going to be it for me, y'all. So, thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you guys probably Monday. Yeah, jump on Monday. So, I'm gonna go get some breakfast. I think they close this breakfast buffet here at like fucking, I think it's like 9. I don't know. All right, cheers.